Now let's say today your client's office dropped off a few boxes of exhibits on that junk motor case. Now once your production department finishes scanning those documents, let's see how we can upload that to our case repository. So let's go back to our case manager. So I'm going to go to calendar, case manager, or you can just use this icon right here. That's the case manager icon. And we're going to pull up our junk case, and we're going to double click into that. Now we are going to go to the tab that labeled case level repository. So let's click on it, and this is where we'll be uploading all our files. So now client gave us the instruction as to how to name those files using the bait stamping structure. So we did that. So let's go ahead and so anytime you need to upload a file, you will simply click new, and then there is a new upload window comes up, and then you will simply go select files. Now you're going to browse on your drive, whether it's a local or on your network drive where those exhibits are stored temporarily. So let me go ahead and find my exhibit folder. So there it is. I'm going to double click on that. Now these are all the exhibits I scanned in today. The one that starts 950 are the ones that pertaining to this case. So I'm going to do, now you can select multiple files by either using the shift click or control click. Okay, so I'm going to select those two files. I'm going to open. Now first of all, I need to go ahead and publish these two files. Publish means that we are going to make it available to outside world. Now this access drop-down determines who gets the access. So default will be all, or you can limit the access to just the contacts and office, excluding your resources. Or you can, on the other hand, you can say just the resources and office excluding the contact and so on. So I'm going to leave it as all. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to put in some description here, which should contain some keywords for clients to search by. For example, these are all the contracts, and the second one is the blueprints, diagrams, and so on and so forth. So you can just list out a bunch of keywords so that not only they can find by the file type or the file name, but they will be using keywords which you enter into this description field so that clients can find those things using that online, using the description field. Now with that, you shall simply go save and close, and this is where the upload will take place. Now just like that, we have those two PDF documents which contains multiple pages based on the bait stamping, and now available upload. So at this point right here, you can also send the notifications. So you can simply click that button here, and then it'll pull up all the parties that needs to you gave access to the repository. So we have three parties here, 2 attorneys and 1 paralegal on the defense side, and then on the top grid are the list of all the exhibit or files, and all you have to do is simply click the top. At the top there's a button that says send a notification. So this makes it really easy for you to simply notify and send them an email, and then email will contain a link that all the client has to do is simply click the link, and it'll take them to RB Web login page for them to log in. Now it'll be also a very good idea for your production department as they upload each box or set of documents. Make a note of that. So you will go to the notes log and simply say new, and today, and why you're doing this. So you can probably have a one in here that says scanned or received or something like that. So you can just select a category, and I'm gonna say box number 1 received and scanned. Okay, and we're gonna save that. Now, good thing about these notes are that they are individual entry, and once these notes are made, they cannot be deleted nor edited. So they are tamper-proof. And then all the latest notes will always be available at the top.